Hello, and today you are looking at a Jessup automatic zinc barrel line. This line is currently set up for acid zinc. I will start here on the load end of the line where we have a 4,000 pound dump hopper. Manual chain hoist. On the back side of this you have a magnetic load feed hopper. Magnetic drive gets the proper weight, dumps it over into this manual barrel load hopper. Half-ton hoist up on the top there. Does have the scale. This is a programmable unit as well. Here are the rectifier controls that I will show you in a few minutes there. On the plating tank it is a 15,000 amp 15 volt rectifier, and then the electroclean is a 2,000 amp 12 volt unit. Coming out of the barrel loader here, this is a shuttle cart that comes in between the tanks. This is a U-shaped configuration line. This is the actual plating side of the line. There's a wet shuttle on the end, and then on the other side of the line are a lot of the cleaners and the rinse tanks, which we will walk down in between the tanks. So the barrel is currently loaded right here, and then it moves along down to tank number 1, which is a cleaner. There are 4 Jessup hoists. They do have the strap lift. Appear to be in very solid condition. There are 23 barrels. They are 22-inch diameter by 48 inches wide, polypro. Here are the hoist control panels. There are 4 hoists. Each hoist has its own control panel. We will show the operation of each hoist. 2 of these have been upgraded to the Allen Bradley Panel View C600 controls. Starting with a barrel load station, you have a couple stations of barrel storage, or could be for maintenance. Then as we move down the line here, we have a couple cleaners, 3 cleaners, acid tank. As you can see, all of these tanks are fairly solid and in good condition. They're standard Jessup design. They are up on I-beam, so they are off the ground. You do have barrel upright rotation as soon as it's up in the air. Hoist capacity is 2,000 pounds. There is a tank layout that you can follow along with. There have been a couple added plastic tanks as well. Hoist can be run manually with a joystick if chosen. As you get to the end here, there is a wet shuttle transfer. Here's the carriage rack that rides along the back side. We'll go along to the back side of the machine. There is a large Tranter heat exchanger, and then also a slimline, looks like a 3630 acid zinc filter. As well as a 2016 Columbia 30 horse, 30 PSI hot water boiler. in excellent condition. Up on the top rack of the superstructure is the electric clean rectifier, which is a 2000 amp 12 volt Dynapower, as well as the plating rectifier, which is a 15,000 amp 12 volt Dynapower. Along with all of the bus work that goes from the rectifier to the 12 stations of the plating tank. On the back side of the line here, this is the back side of the wet shuttle. Then looking down the other side of the U, this is the plating tank, which is 12 stations. All of the festoon has been replaced within the last 3 years. Very good condition. Coming back along the back of the U configuration, this is the plating tank, which is 12 stations. Very solid, good condition. It is a Poly Pro plating tank. All of the busing is included. And then continuing on past the shuttle cart, there are a couple rinses, and they were also utilizing 3 chromate colors. Tanks are all in very good condition. Superstructure is standard Jessup design, where they have the U-bolt configuration, followed with the back side. Once the U-bolt is in place, they do weld a little angle iron on the back side, so we'll be able to reassemble fairly easily. Once it comes off of the chromate, it does come back to this middle section here, where this shuttle cart will come over. Barrels will unload into the shuttle cart, and then we will go over to the other side where it shuttles over to the actual Jessup drum dryer. Here is the actual gas-fired Jessup drum dryer as the very last station. As you can see, the shuttle cart moves over, loads into this drum dryer, automatically dumps or unloads into your customers' baskets or bins or Gaylor boxes, whatever you may be utilizing. If you have any questions regarding this Jessup acid barrel zinc line, you can contact Lanco Corporation at 616-887-8300, or you can view us on the web at www.lanco-corp.com. We will also cycle the machine so you can see the hoist in operation. Here is the line in operation. We have one hoist there. All of the barrels are in excellent condition. Barrels do have the upright rotation for draining. see the shuttle cart, wet shuttle, taking it over to the plating side. Very smooth running line. This is the operation of the shuttle cart at the end of the line. This will bring the barrel all the way down to the actual Jessup drum dryer. Here's the back side of the Jessup drum dryer. Barrel will unload into the automatic chain hoist, dump into the drum dryer, gas fired.